everyone, today me and Toby are going to be reviewing this stainless steel pet water fountain that I got for him. As you can see, it's great, it's small, but it's just enough water for him, and it's got a filtration system in there that filters the water so that way your cat is drinking nice fresh water all the time. It's ultra quiet, as you can see, like you don't hear it. It shows the visibility, water level, and at night it's got a nice LED light. As you can see, it's blue, so it lights up at night so that way you can see where it is. Super easy to install. It comes all together. You just have to take out the plastics and put everything back together. And the filter goes right here in the front. It's got a 1.5 liter water capacity, so like I said, it's it's enough, and it lasts a while. All the pieces are dishwash safe, so it's great. It's super easy to clean up, and it's got a quadruple filtration system in there, so it's really great. Again, I highly recommend it. That way your pet is always drinking fresh water, just like us. They deserve to drink nice fresh water all the time. So it's really great, and he loves it. He loves drinking out like the top where it comes off. So it's really cool. So I recommend this product, and Toby recommends it, and we hope you enjoy. Bye.